Lately I made several videos about flat soiled, and he's a big flat earth fool. But he's not the only one. Today we will look at another fool, another flat earther, 2 short videos. So let's get into it. Today's fool is Flat Earth Banjo, and the first video we will look at, it's no sound to it, but it's a quite interesting video because the title of it is My Flat Earth Model. Let's start this video. Oh, I look like a ghost. So this is the Flat Earth according to Flat Earth Banjo. And he's moving the airplanes over them. And a boat, yes, it's water there, Banjo. Hello. We have seen this. And they have moved. There we have his small paper boats up there, and I believe the planes have moved. But how is this proving a flat earth? Okay, I think I have to move forward. We are 1 minute in and the video is 3 minutes long, so I will go forward quite quickly here. Let's see. And it's moving. Now we're 4 minutes in. And here. Oh dear. So this was the complete video, and I looked in the comment section and he gave an explanation there too. Let's look at that one. So it was about circle navigation by air, circle navigation on the seas. Oh dear, this is so silly. The next one is an example of how dishonest flat earthers are and how dishonest Banjo is. This is about airplanes, one of his favorite topics. So let's start that video.
Long at 41,000 feet.
Wait, let's take it from the beginning. It was music in this. I have taken away the music of copyright reasons, but let's start it again. For you who don't know who this is, Kelsey have a very big channel. He's a pilot on 24/7. The channel name is something like 24/7 something.
You're flying flat, level. The flight was in the daytime from what I can understand. So for the record, if I'm flying along at 41,000 feet. But if all your instruments went completely black, assuming that your engines were still running, there's no reason ever to nose the plane over. You're flying flat, level. The flight was in the daytime from... You're flying flat, level.
Did you note that he jumped back so he get Kelsey to repeat flat level.
You're flying flat, level. For the record, if I'm flying along at 41,000 feet, as these pilots were, usually you're going to have a pretty clear sight of the horizon. And you're flying flat, level, the flight.
There's no reason ever to nose the plane over. You're flying flat, level.
I was reading a lot of stuff on the flat Earth. Okay, yeah. True. That's true? Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, God bless.
How long have you been flying for?
It's 21 years, and it's been like 30 something.
I want to know, because they say the pilots know a lot. Do you think the Earth is flat?
I know it's flat.
You know it's flat?
Did you notice any curvature while you were up there? No? What did you see while you were up there?
Just the blue sky, white clouds.
Yeah, is it flat or?
Pretty flat.
Pretty flat?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Did you notice any curvature while we were up there?
Curvature, no.
No, there's no curvature?
It's all flat.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Yeah.
The flying,
Yeah.
conclusion,
Yeah.
there's no curvature. I give it a beginner check. If you move way to we ran a plane out like we are like
I will stop the video here. Several years ago, or as perhaps it was 3 years ago, Kelsey did offer Flat Earther a trip over Antarctica. And of course they would have to pay, but he was willing to hire a plane capable of it and a crew, and he was flying himself, and they would get a good price. No Flat Earther was interested in this offer, and in his video he talked about why he know it's not a flat Earth. So this is dishonest by Flurf Eddie Flat Earth Banjo. He's not admitting that we live on a flat Earth. Banjo is cherry picking from a video, so that is not about the shape of the Earth. So dishonest Flat Earther who is surprised. That was all I had for you today. It was a very short video. See you on Monday. Have a nice day. Bye.